Hey, just want to tell you that the title of this video is it's not clickbait. This is true, and I'm going to show you exactly how I made that happen. So 10,000 per day product. That's exactly what we're going to do in this video. It's not going to be a long one, it's going to be a very short. Just stay with me to the end and say exactly how to make it. And we're going to use this platform called Pipiads. If you've not heard of Pipiads, then what are you waiting for? Pipiads is the new ad spy. Not new, they've been around, but this is the best ad spy tool out there in the market by far. All right, this helped me make thousands of dollars, seeing products to sell without even stressing myself, without even cracking my head. Because most times when it comes to e-commerce and dropshipping, we think of what's the product, what's the best product to sell, how can we sell it, who will sell it to, who's going to be our audience, will this product be viable, people like it. But then that's what Pipiads do for you. Help answer all of those questions. Answer the questions: is it viable? Is somebody buying it? Is there an audience for it? Is there no? Because when you think about it, really, there's nothing you want to do that somebody has not done before. That's the truth. What Pipiads just helps you see it under the hood. Has somebody done this before? Where is that person? Who is the person? And who is the person selling it to? So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this video. When you come on Pipiads, the first thing to do, obviously, to sign up. That's the first thing to do. But to enjoy Pipiads, you have to opt in. Trial. They have a free trial that they have like a $1 3-day free trial. But then they have 3 different payment plans. Choose whatever works for you. One is $1, the other one is $155, and $256. Pick whatever works for you. I am on the VIP plan. So let me just click to show you the VIP plan. So at the moment, so what I have here, this is the plan I'm on, which is the most popular. So just this is the 155 plan, right? So all you need to do is just click on the link in the description and get 20% discount. Use this coupon that appears on your screen, all right? Then you're good to go. Once you've done all of that, come back to the video, come back to ads, and let's get working. So now let's go back to your dashboard, show you what I want to do in a bit. Now, if you come up here, you see product library. So they have a library of several products, and this is newly added feature. Oh, I love this guy. Keep adding features every single day. Sweet juice. Amazing features that will make your life a whole lot easier. If I had this many years ago, right, I would have gone very far. I'll go farther than I am now, right? Let's go. So click on the library, all right? And when you click on that, it brings you here. The next thing I want you to do, just come up here. There are many things here, all right, on your dashboard, but don't worry yourself. Take them in bits. The first you just click on price, all right? Remember, we're looking for product a $10,000 per day product, all right? Now you come in, let's put in $5,000, all right? And put in 10,000, max 10,000. Simple as that. Apply. Currency, you could put US dollars if you want, or you could leave it. I usually like leaving it the way it is, because if you put in US dollar, you're restricting yourself to the product. Okay? So, and that's pretty much it. So if you have a category in mind, we could go ahead, but here we're just looking for product. All right. So for now, no category. For now, region, no region. Just going to leave it the way it is. Scroll down. When you scroll down, you see several products up here, and this is the product. This is $7,000. This is for $7,000. This is $9,000. This is bikes. All right. This is $8,000 2-pack 4 electric walkie pallet. This is 6,000 leaf links necklace. I beg your pardon. This ring is for $7,000. These are the price for these items, but I'm not saying you should sell them for this. If you see a price for an item for like $8,000 here, you could simply just sell yours for $12,000 and then you pocket the rest. All right. So this one that has $5,000 here. You could simply sell yours for $10,000 and then you pocket the difference of $5,000. That's how it is. You just scroll, keep looking, and you see active, meaning people are currently trying to promote this product. See them here. Active. This is a gravel Kawasaki 0-ton mower, right? Selling this for $6,000. I see no reason why you can't sell this or more. Okay. And this is deep green blue cushion, whatever ring. This ring is $8,000. Now this is infrared wooden sauna. I sold this at one time. All right. I sold it at one time. But let's see, I like this product. It's a very good product. Not a very, how will I put it? It's not a product that is everywhere. It means that if you're selling it, you'll be one of the few people that was selling. So what I did was I had a sales page for this particular product. Let's another day. That's story for another day. So you see the reach, the total ad set and whatnot. So let's click on details so you see more about this particular product. See that just a way for you to see good products. $8,000. You could simply and sweetly, make more money from this and sell this for about 10,000, 12, 13, or even 16, which is times 2 of it. If you scroll down, right, you see these guys just like pretty much started their ad, with this. So see, the several ads. This is for Facebook and Instagram. The new product shop now. All right. Okay. So the ads have not really started. Ads need to take some time for data to be accumulated. So, but they are a bit new. This duration 1 day, $3 per version, I think. All right. So you've gotten the information here. Product links to the product itself. Okay. So you would then can discuss with them and say, you like to drop ship this item from them. This is also a dropship website. I'll show you. When I see a dropship website, it speaks to me. It calls my name. Know that. Okay. So, but you see $8,000. Like you said, you could sell yours for more, right? And you could, let me see if I can see where they are, their location. Most dropshipping sites won't give you that location. All right. But they did. So they're in America. So what you can do is you could simply sell this particular product. All right. So someone in America by simply buying. So if somebody comes to your platform or your website to buy this from you, you simply come here, place the order. All right. Pay them the $8,000. So you don't even need to even tell them you want to drop ship with them. What I'm saying is that you don't need to beg them or tell them you want to drop ship with them. You could simply have this product, this Sona machine, all right, have it enlisted on your platform, either on your website or on your TikTok page. Okay. So when you have this going on for you, when somebody comes to either here or here to buy from you, and you're charging $10,000, for example, charging. So when somebody comes to buy from you, what you simply do is simply come on their website. Okay, so you go on their website, okay, which is this website, all right, and place your order. So you go on their website, you place your order for $8,000, right, and then give them the address to deliver it. Okay, the address of your client who bought from you, the person who came to buy from you. You would take the address from that person, and then you put in the address here that they can deliver. When they deliver, keep the $2,000 your profit or your commission, whatever it is. So you don't necessarily have to tell them. So this is what you do. This is the other way to go about it for companies or people who don't want to do business with you. They want to be a drop shipper. Just simply get the items, go on their platform, buy it, put the address of your customer, they deliver it. The only problem you might have with this method is that packaging. So this package might come and appear in the name of this company. That's how this product might get to them. That's the only thing. But why you should not be too worried about it is we are simply drop shipping from a drop shipper. All right. So most likely that the person's logo will be on package is slim. It can happen, but it's slim. So don't think too much about it, because most of them don't even have to see the product. Are drop shippers. So because you don't have the right link to supplier, or you need a supplier in the US, okay? Because these guys are in the US. For example, you're trying to sell in the US, you need a supplier who is in the US. This will work for you. You just simply approach this guy or look for a competition on Pipiads. That's why you have Pipiads. Okay? If you don't see, look for a competition that can. There's another one here. You and it's not from no. So you just click on it. So this is what I do to get a product that's expensive. I don't go the route. I don't use too many tools, because the problem of using too many powered by Shopify here. The problem of using too many tools is that you end up being confused and frustrated. So let's open this business and see. Once you see a Shopify website, free US shipping, 30 days to return. So you can simply come here and mimic this. Now, what I mean is you can come here and copy this, really. Not word for word, but you see how much person selling theirs, 9,000. There's another one for 4,000. There's another one for 9,000. So you could sell yours for this and get it even cheaper. Now, let's go on CJ and see how much we can get CJ. Let's do outdoor infrared sauna. Okay. Let's see. Hope I spelled the name correctly. And it's an outdoor infrared sauna. Did no, did not. All right. So let's go copy the name the way it is, word for word. To person. Okay. Okay. Or you click the same to copy it. Dashboard. So you go back on CJ. You pull this and just click enter. Now, if you don't see it on CJ, it means that it's still not on CJ. Okay, it is. All right, so great. Now, are we seeing the beauty in this? This is one of them here. All right, so let's open this one. You see how much? Let's open this one and see what they have for us as per images. Okay, so this is like a cloth, not the wooden type. So this is not what we want. So let's go back. Okay, so what we want something like this, but we want like a 2-man door, the 2-person infrared. Now, guys, are we seeing a difference and how you can really make $10,000? And what I'm showing you because of the ads. Now, if you see this, how much are you seeing here? Shipping from United States, meaning this is in the United States. This is the price updated July 4th, right? Now let's go back to that website that we opened that they're selling theirs for how much? They're selling theirs for 9,000. All right. The same 2-person thingy. If we go back on Pipiads here, you see it's the same 2-person selling theirs this for 5,000. Now tell me, what's the difference between this and this? Really, no difference. Same thing. But these guys, as you're spending total here, see total down here, $278. Stock shipping fee 0. Last mile shipping fee 0. Estimated delivery time 3 to 5 days. Estimated processing time 1 to 3 days. 80% orders. So you do this, add products to your, anyway, don't worry about that. That's for a later time. If you see more images, you see how it looks like. There's a 2-person I can put anywhere. So somebody else is selling this for $9,000, and here you're getting it for $178. Even if you are, and the beautiful thing is you're selling from the United States, so you don't have to bother about delivery. That's why these two can really help you, CJ and Pipiads. But who helped us see the product in the first place? Got the product first of all from CJ ads, right? And that's how you could look for more product. Coming here, just simply tweaking the price, here. The last thing I want to show you is if you are niche oriented, let's say you have a niche in your mind, you could just simply put in home improvement, home gardening, right? Let's say that's your space, and home appliances, and okay, computer office. Click on apply. Click on apply, you wait for it, based on still checking for $5,000 to $10,000. Then we see all of this beautiful thing here. Upright display freezer. This is an upright display freezer. Okay, let's go on CJ and see if CJ have something like this. Also, upright display freezer. Let's see what it has for us. Enter already. Okay, it's not showing us anything at the moment. Okay, so let's go back to our ads. Okay, log cabin and workshop. So let's see, open this. So these are several products that are selling, as in you can make a whole lot of money from. And this is selling for like almost 10,000. So you can sell this for $20,000 and you still be, in a very good space, right? This is it here. If you go to this website, all right, which is in the UK, see, oh, you could sell the same desk from £10,000. This whole cabin like this. You could also sell yours for £15,000. I mean, £15,000 or £20,000, regardless of. So you're seeing some really good. You're seeing some really good products, and you see it comes like this, or can be sprayed into like this. There's your cabin, right? And you can have some really good fun in your cabin. So keep looking. There's some really good images. The space, how to install it. We use full length of engineering precision, and so at least you have all of this information behind you. All right. So these are products that really make you money. So if you want to start making some real good money, dropshipping, don't end up selling cheap products that don't make you money. This is a one-stop shop that gives you a direct insight into what's happening, what's selling, and where it is selling. So if you go on regions, say for example, you want to sell in the United States or Canada, but this is where you're targeting, inside your target audience. Click on that and it shows you just that. All right, it shows you just that. This is TMG Industrial Extreme. So no, I'm not for that. Beauty refrigerator. Click on this. These are the kind of products you should be looking into, because, like I said, what doing is what doing well. You want to sell a product, sell a product. Don't sell very cheap products and expect to make a lot of money. So let's open this in a new tab. Again, powered by Shopify, the Shopify store. See it here. Okay. And if we go on here, is the refrigerator. Okay. It's also a Shopify store. Guys, I want you to understand how much money you could be making the dropshipping business if you started it many years ago. Now, these are some reviews. This is a high-end, well-built and super attractive top shelf, blah, blah, blah. Zero, whatever. No, those are not reviews. I mean, those are description of the product itself, I think. Okay, it has like 6 reviews. Okay. Fridge has been installed for about 5 months. It's purposely put itself into demo mode, and everything in the fridge had to be thrown away. Stainless front smudges much easier than the snuff stainless appliance I've ever owned. That dispenser works. Okay. This review, we purchased all brand new, and for our new house, and I've literally had a repairman here to fix every single one of them. This washer's oven. Okay, so these are not really good reviews, but in any case, what you need to do is, this is why some of this research makes sense. Okay, so I can go on and on. I don't want this video to be too long, but I'm sure you get the idea. This is how I get my products, guys. All right, I know I've made some other videos of how, but this is the truth. I'm just coming out plain to say how I get my product this way, researching this way. It's not hard. It's simple. All right. All you need to do is just sign up, on Pipiads, use the link and get that 20% discount while it's still available, because it can be going off soon. And jump into this and start using. You could also select language. What language are you? All right. And then you're good to go. So no more heartache. No more, oh, I don't know what to do. No more, what product am I going to sell? What product am I going to invest in, promoting? No more of that. Now it's time to get busy, time to get to work, all of those. So subscribe to the channel if you love this content or video you've seen. For more content on how to spy on ads, how to make money on dropshipping, make passive cash, then this is the channel for you. Subscribe, click on the bell button so you don't miss any of our content. Feel free to share this video with anybody you think this will help. And let me in the comment section if you have any question. And don't forget to take access of the 20% discount while it's still applicable, all right, before it's been taken off market. Thank you again for watching to this point. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you in the next one.